In this video, we are going to learn how to design this flower basket. Let's start. So first of all, we are going to define the appearance that we are going to use. We'll click on Edit Appearance. Here we'll select the color, double click on it and do OK. Now we'll select the front plane, taking Line tool, and we'll create the sketches. Now we'll take center line. Now here we'll draw one center line. This line will convert into construction line. Now we'll define the distances. This is 20. Here we'll define the angle between this line and axis, 30 degree. And from here we'll define the total distance, 80 exit. Now we'll extrude this sketch. We'll select the sketch and go to surfaces, take extrude surface, taking it mid plane and defining total distance is 60. Do OK. Now we'll take top plane, sketch on it. We'll take ellipse command, making this center of ellipse and origin point to be horizontal, and this point will be coincide with edge. This point coincide with edge, and also will make that point to be horizontal with origin. Here also we'll define this to be horizontal with origin. Again we'll select this and make horizontal with origin. Now we'll define the total distance. This is 20. Exit. Now we are going to project this ellipse over this surface. So we'll go to curve, project curve. Here we'll take option sketch on faces. We'll select this curve and select the surface and do OK. Now we'll hide this surface. Now we'll hide this curve also. We'll select this curve and hide it. Now we'll go to features and take swept box command. Here we'll select circle profile and define the diameter of profile is 2 and select the path. OK. Now we can hide this curve. Now we'll create the axis. We'll go to reference geometry, take axis option. From here we'll select front plane and right plane and do OK. Now here we'll select the sweep and go to circular pattern. For direction we'll use this axis. Here we'll take geometry pattern. We'll define 360 degree angle and total number of object is 20 and do OK. Now we can hide the axis. So this is how we design this flower basket. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.